water bottle, some boxes that I opened that I got from Amazon, a whole bunch of stuff that should not be on the floor. Like, hey everybody, I'm Naysha Nicole. If you're new, and if you're not new, hey boo. I post story times, give you guys lifestyle tips, and put anything else I want to put on my channel. In today's video, you guys are going to watch me clean my disgusting office slash my disgusting beauty room, the extra room I have in my house where I get dressed in and I have most of my clothes in and all that. So yeah. So you guys, it is pretty late and I'm looking a hot mess right now, like how my room is looking right now. But I have time to clean my room right now, so that's what I'm gonna do. Clean my beauty room slash office, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Yes, this is disgusting, and but that's why I'm organizing and cleaning this room. I've seen plenty of videos like this before where, you know, people clean their rooms or their office or whatever, and people seem to enjoy them, so I figured I might as well make a video as well. And yeah, you guys, big disclaimer, I do have a lot of clothes, and you know, if you're a woman and you're getting ready in the morning or ready for work or whatever, ready for your day, you just throw clothes everywhere and you make a mess right before you leave. So that's what I normally do in this room. Okay, you guys, enough talking. I'm gonna start cleaning this room up and getting this room together, you know, organizing this room for the week to come. If you guys happen to see my dog, don't mind him. He follows me everywhere I go. Leave a blue heart if you do see him. I don't know. But yeah, let's get started in this video. So you guys, this is like my desk area over here where I'm supposed to be all organized, and I'm supposed to, you know, keep my books and my paper and pens and do all this stuff over here. But instead I have like a phone, I have some chapstick, a water bottle, some boxes that I opened that I got from Amazon, some old coffee, which is nasty, and I think that coffee was from the last time I recorded a video, so that's really nasty. And I have my lamp and my plant, my fake plant over here, and some other junk that I'm gonna clean up right now. So now over here behind me, you guys, I have my massage table that I bought while I was in beauty school, and that I only used while I was in beauty school practicing on my family members. And I wouldn't say it's a waste of money because I don't use it now, but it just stays in this room and nobody lays on it, and it's been like almost 2 years since I've had it. So I honestly just stack my clean clothes on top of that, on top of my massage table. When I don't feel like folding my clothes and putting them up or whatever, I just put them all on this massage table. And yeah, I also have my waxing kit that I got from school. I put my water bottle on top of there. The massage table is kind of like a table, a regular table in this room because it's not used, and so I just stack stuff on top of it. Anytime I go shopping, I put my shopping bags on it, and yeah, and I call it a day. So we're gonna clear out this massage table and actually clear off everything off of this massage table so we can actually see it. And here we go. just found some perfume from Victoria's Secret and like a sports bra that I forgot I bought that I just threw up in this room. But no, this is hand sanitizer. But still, what the fuck? I never used it because I threw it in this room and forgot I bought it. So here's some more clothes right behind me, you guys. Most of them are clean and some of them are clothes that I have held on for years, and I was supposed to donate these clothes and I never got around to it. So I just put them in bags and I just left them on the floor. And then here's a piece of my artwork that I made, which I didn't like, and it's supposed to be Rihanna, but I don't like it, so I don't really show it off. And I also have my little Nintendo station thing that I play Mario Kart on, but I bought it a while back on Amazon and I played it for like a month and I got tired of it. So now it's in a basket with some more clothes. So you guys are gonna watch me organize and clean all this stuff up as well. I have the bag for the clothes that I'm gonna either give away or donate, and I'm just gonna put the clothes that I'm gonna donate or give away in this bag. Oh, I love this shirt. Oh my god. Alright, you guys, so the last thing to clean in this room, in my beauty slash office room, is the floor. There's a lot of junk on this floor, meaning empty Red Bull cans, empty water bottles, there's papers, more clothes, there's a whole bunch of stuff that should not be on the floor. Like, disgusting. But anyways, you guys, continue watching this video. If you like this video so far, do comment down below, give this video a like, and subscribe to my channel, and let's get it. Okay, you guys, so that was the end of this video of me organizing and cleaning my disgusting beauty room slash office room. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I am tired as shit, so I'm gonna go to bed, you guys. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Bye.